healthcare system is producing eventually. So I'm going to show you several ways of looking at our healthcare system. We'll begin with national expenditure by financing sector. Who is paying for the total cost? So we have health tax, which accounts for 26%. Health tax, every citizen is paying 5% of his salary up to a certain cap, and that provides the sum of money that is responsible for 26%. Those who unemployed person or poor people, the Social Security of Israel is paying their part, but everybody is covered, even unemployed and poor people. The government budget is about 30%. We have donations from abroad, 2%, and private financing is 42%. Included in the private financing is private insurances, supplementary health care insurance, and the dental care, which is not covered. So this all is included within the 42%. Just keep in mind that when the national health law was passed in 95, this figure was about 30%. So we are seeing any increase over time of private financing of the health need of Israeli people, while the government part is shrinking, the private part is increasing, which of course we don't like, and we wish the government to be more responsible and take more of the load. So who is getting the money? With the ones who is using the money and in more proportion. So market producers are a basket that includes the general hospitals, mainly the general hospitals, dentists and other private physicians, private clinics, and manufacturer of medicine and medical equipment are all basketed here in the 56% that are getting the sum of money with for medical care. The sick fund is getting 33%. Some non-profit organization and institution getting 5%, and the government, which you see here, is the part that their portion of the health care of the mother and child clinics and the psychiatric in hospitalization. So how is the services being divided? The hospitals are taking care of 37% of the volume of activity in medicine in Israel. The outpatient clinic, they are mostly belonging to the healthcare clinics, are 45%. Physician, the private sector, is responsible for only 4%. Dental care